In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan on WPS Office app. This tutorial will walk you through the entire scanning process in a clear and simple way, so you can confidently turn physical documents into digital files using your mobile device. Scanning with WPS Office is a practical solution when you need quick access to documents, whether for work, school, or personal use, and the process itself is very straightforward. To get started, open the WPS Office app and sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken directly to the home screen. From here, look at the bottom of the screen and locate the Scan or Scanner option, which is positioned right at the center. Tapping this option will activate your device's camera and prepare it for scanning. When the camera opens, you will see several scanning modes available. These options allow you to choose what type of document you want to capture, such as an ID card, a quick scan, or formats like Word or Excel. Select the option that best matches your needs. For this demonstration, you can choose the option that converts the scan into a Word document. Before capturing the scan, make sure the document you want to scan is placed on a flat surface with good lighting. Hold your device steady and position the camera so the entire document is clearly visible within the frame. Proper alignment at this stage helps produce a cleaner and more readable result. Once everything is positioned correctly, tap the circular capture button located in the center of the screen. If you need to scan multiple pages, you can continue taking additional photos one after another. When you are finished scanning all the pages you need, tap the arrow icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to proceed. At this point, you will see a preview of your scanned document. Here, you can make adjustments such as cropping, rotating, or fine-tuning the appearance to ensure everything looks correct and aligned. Take a moment to review the scan carefully, since these adjustments help improve the final output. After making the necessary changes, tap the Done button. The app will then process and export your scanned document, making it ready for use or sharing. This is the complete process of scanning using the WPS Office app. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell